Hi YouTubers, this is Turntable Man 100. How are you, okay? Yes, I had comments of someone on YouTube and he's saying I got a terrible camera and also he he's saying you got a terrible camera, you should judging people before you judging someone, because the reason why I'm judging people on his channel because he was working on a carpet for building his PC. So my recommendation is should not working on a carpet of any circumstance in case of any electrostatic, and it's always been charging through electrostatic on a carpet. So there's a no go on that. I said to him, so he said, why are you working on this carpet? And he said, you're a bit sucks because you're working on a carpet and building on a computer. No anti-static wristband. And he's saying it's a terrible camera, is a really potty job to send on the YouTube, he said. And he said you shouldn't judge in other people. Well, I'm sorry for all that, because I haven't got a video camera. I got a DSLR camera which I for filming as well, but it's not meant for that, for DSLR. And only thing is I got devices, either a tablet or a phone, because at the end of the day I haven't got a lighting, I haven't got a sound man, I haven't got a script behind me or anything. I just review the products. Plus, I haven't got a PC to edit in the video. So, let's make it clear off here. So, any dull comments coming down below, the reason why, because I haven't got a PC, I haven't got a video camera, I haven't got any video editing. Anyway, let's get started anyway. So that's making me a bit angry. Right, first of all, as I said it before, you gotta have a ESD band before you operate your computer. Then, there it is. It's about £2 from Amazon. All it is, wrap around your wrist and a crocodile teeth there to clip on the case. And you need to work on a motherboard. That's anti-static wrist. So that's very good for preparing for your PC anyway. So that's it anyway. So it's pretty good. It's £2. I'm quite happy to get one, and it does a job anyway for anti-static wristband. Now to move on, because I got ASRock motherboard Extreme 6, I got Corsair CX600. Because the reason why I wanted to move on very fast, because I got parts due to come in shortly, and once I come in with the parts, right, I want to build it straight away on my PC. And yes, if anything parts that come in due to come on, I'm still reviewing the parts as well. So yes, right. This is Corsair CX600. Oh, it's quite a hefty power pack. Corsair CX600, ATX power supply, EIP, 3-year warranty comes with it. Right. And 80 plus bronze, so that's going to give you always give you full clean power through your system on your PC on the power supply unit. If you look on the back, like so, Alright, you get a tray 4 pin. Alright, you get 8 pin or 4 pin splitter. Alright, you could split your pin if you use your 4 pin motherboard, you can, but if you've got an 8 pin motherboard, you can't. There's the PCE graphics or PCE sockets for your for power supply. SATA cable, right? Molex cable, right? The focusing is not very good. Anyway, floppy cable. Whoever needs floppy anyway, that's my opinion. But floppy, people will still use floppy for some other ridiculous reason. But I don't know. But there's something to be useful for this connection anyway. So we'll classify as a floppy connection anyway. Move on to this power supply. Quiet. Fan noise decibel. So this graph is basically the quieter it is on a heavy load will go up a little bit further up. So you mark it there. So is how quiet in your fan noise with system load. So included with 120mm spin at low RPM, low loads, and quality spin up as needed as cool power supply, basically. What else? 80 plus bronze. Moving down to him. You see that barrier if you quite clearly? This camera is terrible. These are the noise. Is a noise barrier or energy saving? Energy saving. 80 plus bronze. Efficient. You know what I mean. Efficiency, right? The CX600 features up to 85% efficiency due to reduced power usage or heat generation and noise level. That's very good to use power with generation and energy, you know. Anyway, that's the back of the box of power supply. Anyway, right, unboxing to do. You get Corsair warranty guide. You get a Corsair safety information, right? Whatever. People are idiots out there being stupid, you know. You get plastic ties including screws, if you could see. Yeah. You get ties included with screws. Okay. That's very good when you do cable management. Then you get power cable, included with power lead to plug in your outlet on your wall. Then that's the main thing. So if I take it out in one hand, and it's very heavy, heavier power supply goes, as better quality it is, more better transform resistance. There's Corsair power supply unit on the back. Ooh, hefty little thing. There's a zero transistance and everything inside, so it's good quality build. And you get a 3-pin or kettle pin cable, and you get a switch on the back. It's a multi-voltage anyway, so it's multi-voltage from 100 volts or to 240 volts. And in the sides it got Corsair CX600, yeah. On the back is upside down. You can mount it that way, upside down. So I'm not going messing around with that. It's a bloody heavy thing. Yes, you got luxury nylon sleeve, like so. A nylon sleeve for power supply unit. quality is good job the way you stitch it up each other, and you got all these plugs for the motherboard. Anyway, by the way, and this has cost about £56 from Amazon. That's what it does. Right, now to moving on to motherboard. My previous motherboard, right, is I'm a fanboy of ASRock. Because the reason why I'm a big fanboy of ASRock is always reliable, very good system, very nifty speed and build and everything. It all comes together and it's a very good motherboard anyway. This is my old ASRock motherboard. As you can see, you got Windows XP and Windows Vista. Alright, so Windows XP and Vista, that's how long ago this built. And also got Intel, if you can see the camera, Intel sockets with dual core PCI Express. You get free bundle USB 1394 brackets. So you probably you look at 2.0 USB leads. That's how old the old technology. eSATA 2 also, and yes, Vista Premium 2007 compatible with blah 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 blah. Anyway, so that's the old motherboard I used to have. Anyway, and it's really pretty good motherboard. I never say anything bad about it. It's really good. Anyway, so that's the old motherboard out the way. So basically, it's got USB free bundle with ports, right? And I've got a SATA cable there and 7.1 surround sound. Right.